The Weha large transport A-frame comes in 3 different parts. We have the large transport A-frame, your base, and then 10 uprights that come with the A-frame. As options, we have new designed casters, 2 swivel casters and 2 fixed casters that fit under the new redesigned base that sits underneath the base A-frame to be able to move around. For installation of the wheels, it simply slides in. Key goes in, and notice how this will lock in. It slides down so that the wheels, this doesn't come out, and the wheels will stay always in place. And the same for the other side. To assemble the top on the A-frame, there are 6 bolts. The A-frames will come with these bolts already installed. There's 2 ways to make that happen. We can take these bolts off and then reinstall, or if we have a couple of guys, we can put them in the Carter keys and then push it on, put the A-frame on top and slide it in. This is how we're going to demonstrate it. Okay, then we'll slide these through. I can't video it. Okay. Yep. Go. Perfect. Now the frame is even, and it's locked in to the bolt patterns. Now we just simply tighten down. Last step to full assembly is simply installing the uprights. Notice how on the bottom of our replacement upright, you have this tab that's angled. Notice how it goes into, how it locks into place into the A-frame. So it angles backwards, locks in, and then when it comes in, this gets locked into place and zipped up. Now it's impossible for it to slide out during transport to the job site. After full assembly, we've got the wheels on, we've got the base, we've got the top. We put our 10 uprights on the large A-frame. The small A-frame, which is the 6 foot, gets 8 uprights, and then simply move around, install, use it as in the shop, or use it for installation.